All right, guys, what we are doing today is working on this 16-foot John boat that I bought a while back. 16 feet long, maybe almost 4 feet wide. Good little boat, no leaks. And what we're doing today is beefing up this transom. It's a little rotted. This handle's off. This one's probably loose. This wood's bad. So we're gonna put some new wood and everything on here. Not only because it's rotted, we're really going to try to beef up this entire transom because of this right here. You can hardly tell, but this boat is rated for a 10 horsepower motor. And right over here, I have a 15 horsepower motor. We've already ran the motor on this boat. We know that it works pretty good. It really pushes this boat like really nicely, cruises. Problem is this is just a hair weak. You can kind of see it's just really thin aluminum. So what we're gonna do is just beef it up just a little bit, put a piece of wood over this whole thing, rebuild this whole transom, make it all looking nice, get it out on the water. What I'm gonna do next is go through and grind each of these rivets off so we can pull this board off and that little piece of metal. Getting everything all fitted up. Just kind of have it on here just really temporarily. It's looking good. All right, guys, we got the new transom pretty much completely finished. It's looking really good. We got new wood on the inside as well. All new hardware going around. So I guess let's just kind of break it down really quick. Looks like we got 5 carriage bolts. I ended up having to run back to the store to get some carriage bolts just because of some length issues. So we got 5 of those there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 regular hex head bolts. And those ended up being the first ones we bought, the long ones, to reach through both pieces of wood. The reason I needed the shorter ones was I forgot I wasn't going through the wood there. Just this metal plate. And then I got 2 down in the bottom here. Plug in the old holes from where that old little transom reinforcement was. So hopefully that's waterproof. And speaking of waterproof, we hit every bolt that's close to the water line with this E6000 adhesive sealant. It's supposed to be really good, flexible, waterproof. So we got everything there. I had these handles just laying around. So we put new handles on the back there. The old ones were, the hardware was kind of like rusted into there. Didn't feel like playing that game, so it looks good. This back piece is cedar, and the one on the inside is pine. The one on the inside should stay relatively dry, but this outside piece is cedar, so that should last a really long time. Cedar is really water resistant, really rot resistant. I think the only improvement I could make on this is putting a nice coat of sealant on here. So I think here in the future, we'll end up doing that. But for now, it looks really good. I'm pretty stoked on it. It's way stronger, way stronger than what we had on here. That wood was pretty much completely rotted out, really soft. I didn't even realize how soft it was until I started taking it off. So I'm really happy that I went through and did this, and it should be way stronger than what we had on there before, which is really cool because we're pushing it with that 15 horse Evinrude over there, which is 5 horsepower over what this boat was originally rated to. We've already ran it with a 15 horse. It ran pretty good, but there was a little bit of movement in the transom, and now I think we took care of that completely. So pretty cool. Stay tuned for future videos of us doing some, adventures out of this, doing some fishing out of this, all sorts of things. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.